What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Nvidia installer cannot continue error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to install the Nvidia launcher, basically the GeForce Experience or the Nvidia installer to update your graphic cards, and you're getting this error, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you should do is to go to your search bar, go to device manager, and basically find the graphic card in here. So basically where it would be display adapters. So you can see I see my Nvidia GeForce GTX 1080 Ti. So you want to basically right click into this and do update driver on this one, and then try to basically have it fixed over here. So try to do like search for drivers automatically, and then try to do it from this method over here. The second thing is I want you to basically go to Google and try to find the update for your graphic card either directly from there and install that directly. And then once you have done that, then try to install the installer, whether GeForce or Nvidia, the latest version, and try to do that from there. If you've done that as well, I want you to then just basically restart your computer, try it one more time, and then go from there, and you should be good to go. So basically just following the steps, you should be good to go, and you should not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash thumbs up. Guys, in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.